Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use setting spray for long-lasting makeup. First, ensure all your makeup, from foundation to mascara, is fully applied. Then, hold the setting spray bottle about 8 to 10 inches from your face. Before pressing the nozzle, remember to close your eyes and mouth completely to prevent any product from entering them. This initial step is crucial for an effective and comfortable application. Now, let's talk about technique. For even coverage, spray the setting mist in an X pattern across your face, starting from one temple and moving to the opposite jawline, then repeating. Immediately follow this with a T pattern, spraying across your forehead and down the center of your face. This method ensures every area receives a light, uniform layer, preventing any missed spots and maximizing its hold. After applying the spray, it's important to let it air dry naturally. Resist the urge to fan your face or touch it, as this can disrupt the setting process and potentially smudge your freshly applied makeup. Once dry, the spray forms a lightweight, invisible barrier that locks your look in place. This can extend your makeup's wear time significantly, often for up to 16 hours, keeping it fresh and vibrant. To further enhance your makeup's longevity, consider a few extra steps. Applying a good primer before your foundation creates an excellent base for your makeup to adhere to. Throughout the day, if you notice any shine, gently blot with a tissue instead of rubbing, which can remove product. Finally, choosing a setting spray tailored to your skin type, whether oily, dry, or combination, will yield the best and most comfortable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.